Everyone, this is As Muhammad Khan and I welcome you with very interesting chapter, that is chapter 8. And this complete chapter is in your syllabus, student, because as you know that many chapters from your syllabus is deleted by the CBSE, or some portion or particular chapter is deleted, but this is the chapter from which you will get all the topics in your exam. This chapter is related to how do organisms reproduce. Yes, students, reproduction is the process from which all the organisms reproduce. What is the reproduction? Reproduction is the process, or it is the biological process from which the living organisms continue their life or race on the earth. Or we can say that the life repeats its history by changing its characters with the help of this process, that is reproduction. And life is existed on the earth due to only due to the reproduction. Like we are reproduced by our parents, and our parents are reproduced by their parents. Like this, the life is continued on the earth, and this continuity is maintained by this important process that is known as reproduction. Now, there are, students, the two type of reproduction: sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction. So first we will discuss about the asexual reproduction. What is asexual reproduction, student? It is the reproduction in which an individual is reproduced by a single parent. Means there is no involvement of the two parents in this reproduction. In this, only a single parent is involved, and that's why there is no fusion of gametes. In this, there is no gametes are formed, and those gametes are not fused. That's why we can say it asexual reproduction. Means sexual activities do not take place in this process. And what is the main sexual activity? The fusion of male and female gametes. So fusion of male and female gametes is not involved in asexual reproduction. And there are the different types of asexual reproduction, student. Like the first reproduction is binary fission, binary or multiple fission. Binary or multiple fission, it is the first mode of asexual reproduction. First mode of asexual reproduction is fission, and there are the two type of fissions are found in the simpler or microorganisms, especially in the protozoas. First is binary fission, second is multiple fission. Now, what is binary? Binary fission is the mode of asexual reproduction in which a single living organism is divided into two equal parts with the help of one particular cell division, and that cell division is known as mitosis. So that is divided into two parts, two equal parts, and those equal parts are developed into new individual. And this binary fission is found in the amoeba and leishmania. Yes, student, amoeba and Leishmania. Amoeba and Leishmania are found in the water. That's why we can say that it is found in the aquatic living organisms, in which what thing takes place, like it is amoeba. It has which type of cell? Tell me. It has the eukaryotic cell. That's why we can say that it has the complete nucleus. So the cell division takes place, or it is started from the nucleus itself. Means the nuclear material is started to divide into two equal parts first, and with this the cytoplasm is also divided. And as you know that the amoeba has the irregular shape, so first the nucleus is divided into two equal parts with its nucleolus and nuclear material, and it is divided into two equal parts like this, two equal parts. Two equal parts it is divided. And this fusion or this division is known as binary fission. Binary fission. And these divided parts are developed into new amoeba. And this process is known as binary fission. And student, it is also found in Leishmania. And Leishmania cause one disease that is known as Kala Jar. Kala Jar is caused by the Leishmania, and Leishmania is reproduced by which mode of asexual reproduction? It is binary fission. Like this, there is another fission is also found, and that fission is known as multiple fission, in which a living organism is divided into more than two cells, and this type of reproduction is found in a particular protozoa that is known as Plasmodium, and that protozoa Plasmodium cause malaria. What disease it cause? It cause malaria. And what thing takes place in this? Like, how can it divided? Like it is Plasmodium, first its nucleus is developed. Now from the nucleus the cell division is started, and this type of other cells are developed due to the cell division. And which type of cell division is found in asexual reproduction, student? It is mitosis. So due to the mitosis, one cell is divided into more than two cells, and this mode of reproduction is known as multiple fission. Now it is covered by a cyst, means the divided Plasmodium is covered by a particular coat that is known as cyst, and under the favorable conditions this cyst is broken down, and these new cells comes out and are developed into new individual Plasmodium, and this fission is known as multiple fission. So there are the two type of fission. Binary fission, it is found in amoeba that cause amoebiasis disease, and it is also found in Leishmania that cause Kala Jar, and Another fission is multiple fission. It is found in the case of Plasmodium and it causes. So students, we have discussed binary and or multiple fission. Binary and multiple fission we have discussed. Now we will discuss fragmentation. Fragmentation is the mode of asexual reproduction. It is the mode of asexual reproduction and it is found in some simpler organisms like algae. And in which algae it is found? It is found in Spirogyra, student. So now we will discuss about the fragmentation. So the fragmentation is the mode of asexual reproduction in which a single living organism is broken into fragments. Now what are the fragments, students? Fragments are the equal pieces of an organism. Like I can give you the example of fragment. Like when you want to purchase the sweets like barfi, so that barfi is cut down in the fragment from which it has the equal pieces. Means the sweet that is known as barfi, it is cut down in the equal fragment. Like this in this mode of asexual reproduction, a living organism like Spirogyra, it is the structure of Spirogyra I am making here. This is the Spirogyra. So this Spirogyra is broken into equal fragments. Like equally, if we divide it, then from here we can divide. And what we will observe that we will get the equal pieces here. These are known as fragments. Like this. And these fragments are developed into new individual Spirogyra. So Spirogyra is an example of asexual reproduction in which it is reproduced by fragmentation. Means it is divided into fragments and those fragments are developed into new individual. So today we have discussed about the fission and fragmentation. Now in the next segment we will discuss the other mode of asexual reproduction, student. So thank you very much and have a nice day.